Hi everybody, good day to you. Welcome back. This red vehicle is a Chevrolet Impala. It looks like a 2004 maybe, and they had the oil changed on this somewhere, and it immediately began smoking like a lot, from what I understand, after the oil change. I guess it's overfilled or something like that. So let's go check the oil level and see if that's accurate, and then if it is overfilled, we'll see if we can't set the level properly. Start. Yeah, we'll see if we can't get the oil level right. Yeah, it runs very poorly. Very poorly. Yeah, that's not cool. All right, let's get it in the shop. What do we got here? Low washer fluid and a check engine light. Ooh, this thing's rough. Yeah, it's got a few more problems besides the engine oil level. Dang. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's not any good. Do again. All right, we're there. Yeah, this thing's pouring smoke out of it. Shop's full of it. This is wild. Popping in the hood. All right, let's see what the damage is. Yep. All right, let's see what we got. Yo. I don't know. We're gonna find out.
Oh no, it's where it's
And she said it was overfilled on oil. I don't think so.
It's the rims, huh?
Yeah, this thing's, it's smoked. It's over. Yeah.
Also 3.8. No, 3.4.
Close. I mean, it is a GM 3.4, 3.8 platform. It's probably got another 1,000,000 miles left on it. Yeah. But hey, look at there. It's blue. Someone just put valve covers on it, or valve cover gaskets. Yeah, I think we're blue on the back side too. Engine mounts are broken, that one and that one. Okay. Wow. It's seen some better days. Alrighty, well this is gonna be a super short video now because I have advised everybody that the engine is smoking from one of two things. We've got either piston rings that are absolutely just destroyed in this engine, or there's oil coming in through the valve stem seals. Either way, all that's internal engine work, and we're not in a position, nor is anybody really interested in investing that kind of money into this car, so they're just going to ride it the way it is, and that's how it's going to live out the rest of its life. So we're backing this one out to the parking lot of shame that it goes. This is like condemn them to death week on the cars. First we had the Suburban. Start. Yeah, it's alive. Yeah, we had the Suburban, there's the Mini Cooper. I think I junked something else. That Kia that I had earlier was close. This one's close. I mean, it's hanging in there, guys. This one's hanging in there. But it's on its way out. And I'm on my way out too. So, all that being said, I'd like to thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed this video. As always, if you did enjoy this video, please let me know about that by tapping that like button down below. If you did not enjoy this video, just go to my video library and watch something else, and keep watching videos until you find one that you do enjoy. Shameless self-promotion. It's one of my superpowers. So again, and as always, thank you for watching, and most importantly, don't forget to have yourselves a great day. See you guys later.